1, 2, 3.
Ew. Are we going to Flavor Town?
We are going to Flavor Town. Yes, we are.
Another celebrity recipe showdown.
It's Mac Salad Day. We're making macaroni salad. I'm making Guy Fieri and Mark Wahlberg.
And I've got Dolly Parton and Alex Guarnaschelli. Did I do it?
Yes.
I did it.
All right, hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot. I need more ice. Chill it, chill it.
Okay, Alex said
Alex says no rinsing.
no rinsing.
Everyone else says rinse. And you know why? Because they're not chefs. They say rinse because they want to cool it down, but it pulls all the starch, it pulls more starch out of the pasta, so it doesn't help the dressing stick as well. But they think it does.
And Alex has you pour the macaroni out on a sheet pan to cool it down instead.
Yes. Because they obviously just want to cool the pasta down so it doesn't overcook. But this is the way you do it. This is a chef way. This is right. Wahlberg.
Polo.
I'm working on Mark Wahlberg. Mark Wahlberg. Here we go. Mayo. Mark, that's not enough mayonnaise. 1 cup? What? Celery salt, yum. I'm gonna put a little bit in, and I'm gonna mix it around. Come on over here, Mark. More pasta, all the pasta we're gonna throw in now, all the pasta. It's looking a little light on the mayo, Mark. Mark, you seeing this, Mark? And then it says stir in cayenne if using cayenne. We're using all the optional ingredients today. Celery going in. We got green bell pepper. We got a little red onion, Mark's favorite, and we got some parsley. 1 cup of mayo. Can't believe it. Okay, okay. It looks a little light on the mayo. Mark, who taught you this one?
I am destroying this hard-boiled egg while peeling it.
Don't you end up destroying them anyway?
Yes, I guess they'll be chopped and nobody will care, but I'm not pleased.
Well, let me get a close-up so that everyone can see how bad you are at it.
Thanks, Mark.
Oh my God, look how Kristy peels eggs.
What are you reading her for?
Dolly has you put the macaroni in the bowl first and then add cucumber, diced green bell pepper, relish, grated onion, but just a little bit. And then she has you mix that together without spilling it all over. For the dressing, we've got mayo, sour cream, and milk. Dolly has you season the dressing and then add it to the bowl and then fold in the eggs after that. It's not as runny as I thought it would be, so that's good. All right, mayo, just 3/4 cup. Mustard, red wine vinegar, soy sauce, and hot sauce. Now I'm just draining the red onions that Alex Guarnaschelli has you soak in ice water. And then she wants you to dry them. Add the red onion to the dressing with the bell pepper and the green onion and a generous pinch of salt. Then you add the pasta, which should still be a little warm. Stir, let it sit at room temp for like 15 minutes and then chill it. And then when you're ready to serve, you add fresh dill and fresh basil.
Look at all that mayo. 1, 2, 3.
Ew.
And that's 1 tablespoon. 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. A little yellow, a little smooth. And then we cool it down while the pasta's cooling. The Mac Daddy Roni, Guy Fieri's Mac Daddy Roni. Let's do it. Big noodles. In goes celery, diced carrots, pepperoncini, red onion, roasted bell pepper, pepperdew peppers, garlic. Time to mix. Ooh, it smells really good. This looks like Flavor Town.
We're gonna taste the macaroni salad.
I'm excited.
Me
They
too.
all look very, very different. Who should we start first? Who should we start first?
Let's do Dolly.
If I closed my eyes and I smelled this, it'd smell like tzatziki, right?
Yeah.
I'm tasting tzatziki. I'm liking it a lot.
Yeah,
Feels like Mediterranean-y.
Yeah.
For Dolly Parton, a Southern belle.
I know. Perfect amount of sweetness for me. I could do without the hard-boiled eggs, but that's just a personal preference.
I didn't even know they were in there, honestly.
Yeah.
I
Good
feel
job,
light, I feel airy. Thank you, Dolly. Let's go to Mac. Can you give me a Mac?
No, I'm not gonna do it. I hope he never sees this
I
video.
hope he sees it. Mark.
Okay. It smells oniony.
Oniony for sure. I'm very curious. It looks dry.
A little bit.
Okay, here we go.
Is there onion powder?
No onion powder.
It's dry. The flavor's nice. Just add a little more mayo and I think.
It's very savory.
Yeah.
It's almost like it's trying to be mac and cheese really hard.
I wouldn't be mad at it, but I don't think it's my new macaroni salad recipe.
100%. Like that one, I need a cracker actually.
Is it oniony?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cracker break.
Guarnaschelli?
It smells,
All over the place. It smells like
Soy
soy
sauce.
sauce. We're going in.
it's not creamy enough for me.
I like the basil with the soy sauce. I taste that.
It doesn't taste like classic macaroni salad.
100%. Like I don't know where you would serve that at. She did a little too much in
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Mayo. Where's the mayo?
We want mayo.
Mayo, please. It's time for Guy. Okay.
What was the name of this?
Guy's Daddy Mac Salad. Big noodles. I love big noodles.
Are we going to Flavor Town?
We are going to Flavor Town. Yes, we are.
It smells great.
Okay, here we go.
This one,
This one is just like,
the creaminess
Wild
is
again.
great.
I love the creaminess. The mustardiness comes very much through. Yellow mustard. I love the pepper in it.
Yeah, I like it.
Would I make it again? Absolutely. I feel in my heart of hearts it needs like relish for that sweetness. Otherwise, this is like pretty perfect as a macaroni salad. It's hard to talk favorites. Let me have a cracker first.
Fine.
This is tough.
It is. I think Guy is number one.
Guy's number one.
Yes.
I would go with Guy too. Let's go with Guy. Guy Fieri is our favorite. Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives took us to Flavor Town. Dolly's close second.
Very close.
Who's the worst?
Alex Guarnaschelli and Mark Wahlberg are fighting for worst. Winner!
Are we doing this?
Yeah.
Now it's time for someone who doesn't like macaroni salad to try all four, and I will be honest about which ones are best and worst. Number one. I taste nothing but cucumber. That's pure cucumber. If you don't like cucumbers, you will hate that. Is that Dolly Parton? Don't like it. Not bad. Hey, which one has like a bell pepper? Is that Alex? Alex Guarnaschelli. Shelley. Alex Guarnaschelli. Not bad, actually. Not bad. All right, Mark Wahlberg. It's all right. If you don't like red onion, if you don't like raw red onion, Mark Wahlberg's is not going to be for you. Last one, Guy. The burst of flavor from the peppers in Guy Fieri's, really, really good. But I gotta go with Alex Guarnaschelli. That's the best one. The worst one, Dolly Parton's by far.